Hey everyone, welcome back to the Drifter Journey channel. We've got a performance video for you today. We are on the Further Customs Laguna 330 11-foot inflatable catamaran with the 15 horsepower Suzuki Outboard. I know I wanted to know how fast these things would go before we got this, and I'm going to make the video for this version with about 450 pounds of gear on board. We got a bunch of spearfishing stuff, maybe 500 pounds on board.
People and gear.
People and gear and dog. Yeah, so pretty much fully loaded. We'll see how fast it goes as we go out to our spearfishing spot today. It is pretty smooth. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, purchase through the links below to help support the channel, and we have a link down below that should get you a discount on one of these boats if you're in the market. So I'm just idling out. It says I'm going 2 miles an hour. I do things in miles per hour. I'm not a knots person, but we can convert that over for you if need be. But we're gonna see what it'll do. This will be a quick video. Okay, so first thing is to show you how quickly we can get on plane with the 15 horse. So we're warmed up. We are ready to go. And we're there. I got mid-throttle, doing 15-ish miles per hour. Pretty steady. We maxed at 17 so far. I'll get out in the open water here in a minute and open it up to see what we can max out at. Got a little bit of chop, so we'll see what happens with the dog here. So I'm getting 20 miles an hour into the chop. We got 20 miles an hour into the chop. So yeah, I would say that's pretty solid. It feels fast. When it's even flatter, it seems like you go a little bit quicker. So I would say you're gonna be with the 15 horse somewhere around 20, but we usually cruise at mid-throttle because it's just more comfortable and better for fuel, which was what, 15 I said? So save 5 miles an hour, save some fuel, save the dog's back, save your back. I did ask about putting a 20 horse on since it's the same weight and size as the 15, and the owner of Further Customs told me it's overkill and I don't need it. So I usually go bigger every time. I'm not a boat person. We are now. But I took his advice, and it's definitely got enough power to get us everywhere we want comfortably. And yeah, it's actually more than enough for what we're doing. So if you have any questions, leave them below. And let us know what other videos you want to see to learn about this thing. Bimini Top money.